Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Minds. I am Amosoft, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw from your Ultron Mavie networking platform and get this directly straight into your wallet. So this is going to be a live withdrawal. It's not going to be me posting video of another member, but this is strictly my withdrawal. So you just want to sit back and see how it is done. So first of all, what you need to do is to go to your earnings, and once you go to your earnings you will see what you have been earning so far. And this USDT to club simply means if you want to convert, because the way the system works is that 25% of all your earnings go to the USDT club balance. That USDT club balance is used to buy more staking hub. If in case you want to buy, once it gets to $100, you can use it to buy another $100 worth of staking hub, or even more if you have more. All right, so if you don't want to withdraw it to your wallet, you can simply go to click on USDT to club, and it will convert them to USDT club so that you use it to buy more staking hub. But mind you, you can convert from your normal USDT balance to USDT club balance, but you cannot convert from USDT club balance to USDT balance. So you want to make sure you don't want to use that amount, you don't want to withdraw that amount to your Binance or your Trust wallet before you take such decision. So in this case, for the sake of this video, I am going to be withdrawing this $79.5, while the $32.5, which is 25% of the 130 USD that I've earned so far, will remain in the system. So that once I keep accumulating more earnings and it gets to $100, I can use it to buy USD, buy a staking hub. So once you want to withdraw, all you have to do is to click on withdraw. Then it's going to give you an option where you need to where you want to send it to. So as you can see, it says you have to add an address. So what we'll do first of all is to click add new address. Then you can see right here, it's telling you that the address you're going to add is the BEP20, that's the Binance Smart Chain address. So you go to your Binance or your Trust wallets or any other wallets or exchanges you are using. Then as you can see right here, there's USDT. You click on deposit, select USDT, and it will take you here. So you make sure the chain you are selecting, as you can see, there are other chains right here, not BEP2 but BEP20, that is Binance Smart Chain. Then you copy the wallet address, you go back to your dashboard and you enter this. Okay, you make sure you're entering the correct thing. Okay, then you click on add this address. Now once you click on add this address, it will be added. Okay, you can add multiple address if you want. Then now let's go back and continue our withdrawal. So you click on withdraw, then the address you've set already will pop in. Now there's a withdrawal fee of 5 USDT. Any withdrawal you are doing, you must be charged 5 USDT. So you want to make sure to put that into consideration whenever you are making your withdrawals. So once you click on withdraw, you enter the amount you want to withdraw. So you click on withdraw. I already set the wallet, then you can just say 92.5. all right, then say withdraw. Then I'll double check out the payment. Then you make sure the address and everything is so you make sure the address and everything is correct. Then once you click on withdraw, it's going to pop up this success page, and all you need to do from here is to wait for the USDT which you've withdrawn to reflect on your Binance account or your KuCoin or whatever you sent it to. So for mine, I sent it to my Binance, and all I have to do right now is to wait for that amount to reflect on my Binance account. So once I get a notification that the deposit has been successful on my Binance app, I'm going to be posting it as well. Okay, so it normally takes up to 24 hours or some hours to reflect, since it is manually done. Okay, so once it reflects, I'm going to be showing you guys the balance on my Binance account. So guys, after waiting for like 12 hours, I finally got the withdrawal um, or deposit alert into on my Binance account. So what I'm just going to be doing right now is I'm going to take you to my Binance so that I will show you where the money got deposited to. So if you go to Binance right here, you can see this is Binance, and the account I'm using for the withdrawal from Ultron platform, the Mavie platform is this. Now, if I click on USDT, you will see the balance. Right? Remember, we withdrew $97, and $5 was actually used for the fee. So that was how I got $92. So if you want to see the history of this, the proof that it actually came true, that it was not a deposit I made on my own, you click on this history icon right here, and you go to deposits. Now if you see deposit, you see the date right here, this 92 USDT. Then if you click on it, you see the details of everything. So to make sure to confirm that this is actually the withdrawal I did from the Mavie Ultron platform. So the beauty of this is that you don't really have to wait for the coin to launch by June before you can start making money from the platform. If you can network, if you have one or two people that you can refer, you earn bonuses from them as well, because you are telling them about this project, or telling them about the coin. Okay, that is just what it is. So guys, if you love this video, make sure subscribe, like, share with your team, and let's keep the program going. Okay, thank you very much guys, and do have a lovely day ahead. Bye.